Hello everybody, it's Andrew here, and I'm on a night ride, and we are at the beautiful Garden City car park. Have a look at this beautiful bike. Ooh, love it. I don't really love it at the moment because there's a couple of things that kind of annoy me on this ride. I have to fix up. I'll speak about them in another video. But yeah, this video, I'm going to talk about one thing I love, and let's check this out. Go. Alright, I've installed these little LED lights on the side, and I've hooked up the halo. How good does that look? I reckon it looks pretty cool. I didn't think that the lights would be that orange. They look like indicator colours, so possibly not legal. I do have another set somewhere that I think are a little bit lighter, so I'm going to swap those out into something a little bit more daytime running looking, but have a look at the way. That's nice. I reckon that suits this bike amazingly. It's made it 10 years younger. Alright, so I'll just show you what it looks like with the light on as well. So we're just going to turn the light on as well, so together with the halo and the front lights. There you go, looks a bit like that. Oh, love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, so there it is. Looking pretty damn good. I'm very, very happy with the way that that's all turned out. And the sounds of Brisbane. South side, baby, south side. Mount Gravatt. Who knows what you're gonna get. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Anyway, I'll switch up here. So it just turns it off. Let's just switch out the halo. And the halo. Okay. So, as I've said in a previous video, definitely worth the update. Okay, so if you have a spare $100 lying around, you can get this done. So the wiring is a little bit complex. I might make a separate video about all that.